Going to be replacing this sprinkler head right here. You see that it got damaged. Bought some replacements. Let's show you how to do this. This here is the replacement. This is a 3-pack here. It comes with the little filter and the little tops only. This is the way the new replacement piece looks like. There's a little filter basket right here. It's going to fit in just like that. You can see right inside here it's threaded, so we're just going to take that and thread it right on. So let's get this new one installed. Want to make sure you hold on to this pretty tight so that it doesn't just snap back down. Kind of pull it all the way up. Loosen the old one. That comes right off. Has a little basket right there. I'm going to pop that new one in. Take the new one and tighten it on. Got it nice and tight. See how that just shot down in there? That's why you want to hold it nice and tight. If you saw how that just shot back down in there, if you're not holding on to that tight, once you take that cap off and that gets down there, it's going to be very difficult to get that out. So make sure you hold on to it very, very firmly. All right, time to test it. Let's turn those sprinklers on. And there you go. Look at that. It is working great. So nice, easy fix. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to have someone coming out from a sprinkler company to help replace that. It only costs a few dollars. Real nice, easy fix. Hope this helped.